Hello anglers, we've gone from a nice fine day to the leading edge of a front coming through with a cloud bank, and the temperature's dropped at least another 4 degrees. Rain on the way. Rightio, another fish on. A bit of weight this one. You don't have squizzy. I was just winding in, go home. I was retrieving it quite quickly and grabbed it. This goes to show a slow retrieve doesn't work all the time. So when you're fishing, vary it. If you're not catching on a slow retrieve, go to a slightly faster one. And vice versa, until you find out at what point they'll take. We've taken plenty of line this one. Yep, it's jack. Spawning fish. Wow, look at the proportions of this thing. With all its fins, the dark orangey red, got a big hook jaw on them, about 4.5 pounds, in absolutely stunning condition for here. Always dark fish this time of year, water quality. But this is a good, solid, chunky fish in prime condition. Not fin clipped, just beautiful. A big hook in his jaw, stunning fish. Which way are you going here, sunshine? Go that way. Come on. Go that way. There you go.